Have you ever pondered the importance of baby safety gears in safeguarding our little ones? Today, we delve into this crucial topic and explore the various types of baby safety gears that play an instrumental role in creating a secure environment for infants and toddlers. First on the list are baby monitors. These technological marvels offer real-time audio and video monitoring, enabling caregivers to keep a vigilant eye and ear on their baby's activities even from a distance. Equipped with advanced features like night vision and temperature sensors, baby monitors ensure constant surveillance over the baby's environment, offering peace of mind to parents. Next, we have child-proofing equipment. This category includes a myriad of items such as safety gates, cabinet locks, and outlet covers, all designed with a single purpose: to baby-proof homes. These tools effectively prevent access to hazardous areas like stairs and cabinets and cover electrical outlets, mitigating the risk of accidents. Moving on, we consider car seats and strollers. These are critical for ensuring safe travel for our little ones. Expertly engineered car seats and strollers provide secure seating and protection for infants and toddlers during car rides or leisurely walks. The thoughtful design incorporates harness systems and impact-absorbing materials to minimize injuries in case of mishaps. Then there are baby safety gates. These protective barriers are indispensable for blocking off potentially dangerous areas, such as staircases or specific rooms. By providing a physical barrier, safety gates ensure that babies remain within designated safe zones. Lastly, we discuss high chairs with harnesses. To ensure proper seating during meals and prevent falls, high chairs equipped with secure harnesses are essential. They keep the baby in place, significantly reducing the risk of accidents during meal times. In conclusion, the importance of investing in suitable baby safety gears cannot be overstated. These gears, from monitors to child-proofing equipment, serve as silent guardians, providing both protection and peace of mind. By deploying these safety measures, caregivers can create a nurturing environment where babies can explore and grow safely. Remember, the well-being of our little ones is a top priority, and these baby safety gears play a pivotal role in ensuring just that.